Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm feeling a bit better now, guys, so I'm finally going to get back to doing some work on the bike. So today we're going to install these DRC wide foot pegs. They're actually rebranded as the Zeta Racing wide foot pegs now. So let's get started on the install, guys. All right, guys, so I'm just going to hold up the foot peg here to give you guys an idea of the difference in the stock OEM versus this ultra-wide. As you can see, it's quite a big difference. All right, so what we're going to need to do is, you can see over here on the side here, we have a cotter pin. Basically, it's just held on by a cotter pin. So we'll remove this cotter pin, and that'll essentially allow us to take the bolt out, and then we'll remove this spring, and then we'll put the spring back into this one. So let's get started on that. Let's get this cotter pin off. So I'm using a flathead screwdriver. You just want to pry these back. I get a pair of needle nose pliers here. Let's try to straighten them up, and then we should be able to pull it out like so. Careful of the washer on the end here, guys. All right, so now we're just going to try to get this bolt out. Just be careful because the spring might have a little retention on it, and you don't want it to like fly back. All right, like so. And there we go. So we're going to use this original OEM spring. Now, if you guys can see, there's a little hole here. So actually this spring gets slotted into the hole here on the side of the bike. So that's what we'll be doing now. So essentially, we're going to take out the spring. And we're going to put the spring back in here like so. All right, guys, so it's a little bit fiddly, but I got it in. So now you want to put your washer back on. Put your cotter pin back in like that, and then just going to open it up on the bottom a little bit. Same as it was. All right, guys, so that's on. All good. Let's go around the other side and get that one done. Okay, guys, so we're on the other side now. We're just going to do the same thing. Remove the cotter pin. All right. Slide out your bolt. And that one's out. All right, guys, I just want to show you a comparison of the size difference before I put the next one on. As you can see, they're quite a bit wider than stock. All right, let's get this one installed. All right, guys, so it's the same thing in this. You're going to drop your spring in. Try to line it up, feed the bolt through. All right. That's through. Now let's get the cotter pin back on. Just put on the washer. There we go. Let's open this up on the bottom, guys. And bend this over. That's it, guys. This one's installed. Now I'll show you guys after my foot on it and the difference compared to OEM. So let's do that. All right, guys. So as you can see here, got much more space. And you know what? I'm liking them, man. Good for my size 14 US foot. All right, guys, that's going to do it for the installation of my Zeta wide foot pegs on my 300 Rally. If you guys liked the video, check out some of my other mods, and hope to catch you guys in another one. Take care, everyone. Bye for now.